Hello guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial on how to make an online multiplayer scrolling platformer or cloud multiplayer. Okay, so in this tutorial we will make the multiplayer scripts working, but only halfway in the player sprite, not in the opponent sprite. Okay, so let's get right into it. So in here we've got progress. We have covered the whole scrolling platformer we need. Okay, and yeah, so let's get coding. So to start off, we need to make variables. We'll name this one max players for all sprites, my player number for all sprites, and we'll need an encoded for this sprite only, and we need some cloud variables. So name this p1 cloud variable stored on server. Okay, just X that one and make it until 8. P2, P3 until P8. Can skip this part. Okay, so let's hide all of them, and we do need a variable named cloud timer for this sprite only, and we'll need a variable named mode for all sprites, and we'll make one last variable naming it letter number for this sprite only. Okay, so and one last thing, we need to make a list named buffer for this sprite only, and one more, name it code for all sprites. And before we start anything, let's go to the code, make it bigger, and we'll add it with a blank value, add it until 9, and I'll add one more, 10, and then A. Okay, so like that. So use the alphabet until Z. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and remember to press enter to add more. Okay, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so you can just confirm that there's A until Z, and the ending is 35. So now we'll add in numbers. So start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there's no 10. And in here we'll enter, and we'll put in the dash sign. Maybe the plus sign first, actually. And we'll add in the takeaway sign, and we'll add in a dot, and we'll add in a blank value. Then in here we'll put in underscore. So tip here, click in 49 to make sure it saves, so you can gold, and there. And if you are worried that this is going to lose, we'll just right click it and we'll export and save it into a nice place. And then once you lose it, just right click it again and then import and then put it back, and it will come out like this. Okay, so let's get coding. So when I receive green flag clicked, you'll set max players to 8 and we'll set my player number to 0. Then we'll broadcast and wait. Set up opponents. Okay, and before this setup opponents, we'll put in delete all of buffer. Okay, so and then we'll put in a set mode to joining game. Okay, and then we'll put in another broadcast named broadcast and wait. Join game. Then we'll put in an if else. My player number is more than 0. Then we'll set mode to join the game. Else we'll set mode to full. And we will simply broadcast without a wait. Begin. Okay, that's all you need to do. So now we'll put in, or when I receive green flag clicked forever, make a new block named send cloud data. Run without screen refresh and put in send cloud data there. So now in the send cloud data, we will put in an if my player number is less than 1, then we will stop this script. Okay, and we will add in the list of buffer the x and y variables. Remember that. And we'll change cloud timer by 1 if cloud timer is less than 3. Then we'll stop the script too, and we will put in a set cloud timer to 0, and we'll put in a set encoded to a blank value. Okay, so below here we'll make a new custom block named write, add an input named value, add a label to encoded. Get that? Run without screen refresh. Okay, put it here. Oh, that. So in here we will write costume number to encoded. We will write username to encoded. There's the username here. And we will write round timer multiplied by 10. Okay, and we will put in a repeat length of buffer. We will add not add, actually it's write item 1 of buffer, not the item number. Okay, and we will delete 1 of buffer like that, and we'll make a new block named set cloud number. Add an input player, add a label 2, add an input value. Make sure you get that. That screen refresh and put it right here. Okay, so that's it. Oh no, and you'll put in the set cloud number here. Set cloud number my player to encoded like that. Okay, so now let's go to the write value to encoded script. You'll put in a set letter number to 1, and we will repeat the length of value like that. Okay, we'll set encoded to join. Oh, that's wrong. That join encoded to the item number. Oh, actually it is, oh, this one here, letter number of item number of value in code. I hope you got that. And we'll change letter number by 1, and below this we'll set encoded to join encoded with 0, 0. Hope you got that. And a mistake, of course, I put it in the wrong, like that, and I put the item number there and the letter of value here, put it in like that. Got that? Okay, so now let's go to the set cloud number player to value script. Okay, so if else player equals 1, then we'll set p1 to value. Okay, and we'll copy that. If player equals 2, we'll set p2 to value, duplicate that. If player equals 3, we'll set p3 to value. Player equals 4, we'll set p4 to value. If player equals 5, we'll set p5 to value. If player equals 6, we'll set p6 to value. If player equals 7, we'll set p7 to value, and we'll duplicate this, do not put it there. Else we'll all set it to p8 to value. Set p8 to value. Hope you got that. So basically this code doesn't do anything, I think. It's just the setup for the players. So in the next episode we'll do the opponent script. But just an addition for this episode, I've got to use the collected sprite. So in here, simply put in when I receive green flag clicked, and we'll click this show button here forever, and we'll set the X to negative 180, 155. We'll switch costume to collected plus 1. Okay, so I think that's it for this episode. So let's test the collected first. Yes, it goes up by 1. And and then another addition is to paint a new sprite. We'll name this nothing. Okay, so this one is just a blank sprite that helps it going less lag. So if the game is laggy, then this will help. So another thanks to you guys for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.